Now what we got here is a Zildjian 18-inch China boy high, and it has a crack right around this area. Kind of hard to see on the camera lens, but it does have a crack on the inside right around this area, about 2 inches. We're going to cut that out and repair it. And also, this is how it sounds when it's cracked. It kind of sounds a little dead, like it's being held from its total potential. Let's fix this baby. And this is what it sounds like when it's repaired. Got the 2-inch repair mark right here. See how it sounds now. Woo-wee, sounds pretty good to me.